Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Apex Legends engine error FS check async request. So without further ado, let's get started. So basically this error occurs basically when you have a missing or corrupted game file. And to fix this problem, the first thing what you need to do here is to verify the game, integrity of the game files. So if you are on Steam, just go to library and then go to Apex Legends properties, right click on it, and then go to local files and verify integrity of the game files. If you are on EA app, pretty similar, go to library, go to the game, and then let's say it's Apex Legends here, press on these three little dots and then press repair. And then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to basically try to start the game with DX12, right? So what you need to do here is to I will leave the code in the description below. So what you need to do here is to paste this code if you're running E8. So on here, view properties, and paste this code here, press save and run the game. And if you are on Steam, here you need to go to properties, launch options, and you need to paste this code here. This one I will leave the link in the description below, so you can paste it, copy and paste it, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then what you need to do here is to delete a game registry files. And to do so, you just need to open up press Windows and A key, and then you need to put this code and then press OK, and you will get this window here, and you need to delete all these files here. And after you do so, another thing that you can do here, if the problem persists, you need to update your GPU. So depending on what you're using, AMD or NVIDIA, so I'm using NVIDIA and I got GeForce Experience. If you're using AMD, probably there is an app to that as well. So what you need to do here is to go to drivers, check for updates, and download the latest drivers of your GPU, restart your computer, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.